Number 17 in 5.6 asks you to evaluate this interval using u is equal to 4x minus 1. If u is equal to 4x minus 1, then du is equal to 4 dx, or 1/4 du is equal to dx. So we can substitute these two terms in, and what we result is x squared times the square root of u times 1/4 du. So this is great, but when you get to a position where you still have an x term in here and amongst your u's, you'll need to do some further manipulation. We need to find out what is x squared if u is equal to 4x minus 1. And to do that, we come down here and we say, well, if u is equal to 4x minus 1, then we need to solve for x. So we add 1 to both sides, and we get u plus 1 is equal to 4x. Divide both sides by 4, so that x is now equal to 1/4 times u plus 1. Messy, sorry. But we don't want just x, we want x squared. So we need to square this. And that means we get 1/4 squared plus times u plus 1 squared is equal to x squared. So now we can take this and plug it back into our integral here, which means we get the following. We have the integral. We can take this first 1/4 and bring it out, and we can take this 1/4 squared and put it on the outside. So we have 1/4 times 1/4 squared times the integral of u plus 1 squared times the square root of u du. Okay, the way that it is right now, we have not learned so far how to do that. So what we would need to do is first FOIL out the u plus 1 and then factor a u to the 1/2 into each term. So we still have this 1/4 cubed on the outside, and when we FOIL that out, we get u squared plus 2u plus 1 all times u to the 1/2 du. Now we just distribute these in. Now u to the 1/2 times u squared is u to the 2.5. U to the 1/2 times 2u is 2u to the 1.5. And then u to the 1/2 times 1 is plus u to the 1/2. All this times du, and we're integrating, and we have 4 cubed is 64. So we have 1/64 on the outside. Okay, so now we take the antiderivative. So this is u to the 3.5 divided by 3.5 plus 2u to the 2.5 divided by 2.5 plus u to the 3/2, or 1.5 divided by 1.5 plus c. All this is still multiplied by 1/64, 1/64. Okay? Again, we don't really care about the u's, so we're going to replace each one of those u's with, here it is, 4x minus 1. So we're left with 1/64 times 4x minus 1 to the 3.5 divided by 3.5 plus 2 times 4x minus 1 to the 2.5 divided by 2.5 plus 4x minus 1 to the 1.5, divided by 1.5, and all that is plus c. And again, 3 halves is what, 6, 7 halves. So we can rewrite this all in fraction form and do some multiplying out and make it look prettier. This is 4x minus 1 cubed times the square root of 4x minus 1 plus 2 times 4x minus 1 squared times the square root of 4x minus 1. I mean, we can do a lot of manipulation here to make it prettier, but really this is supposed to be a 1.5 right here. Okay, but this is as far as you have to go right now. And that's about it.